Yeah, that's exactly. It's not a selling point. It's a buying point. Exactly right. Oh, wait. Exactly. That's a buying point. As I said, again, when you follow the rules, it just this is not a sell signal. This is a buy signal. And we closed the week at 55.72. 56, so about 30 pips away from our buy. Our structure point is still the same, and we want to see a structure high, which is the 158 right there. That's the baby. So to be honest with you guys, we really don't have much of a sell signal for the pound Swiss. We can take it if it takes out this low. Absolutely. So I just gonna show you quickly the CAD Swiss. Look at this CAD Swiss. Again, this is part of the rules. When you know what to look for, you will see that the chart, even before looking at the chart, David, I'm just putting it for you so that you can see it. That's the whole idea. Even though, look at this. See this? That's what you want. These are the trades. You want 250 pips in 2 days. That's the idea of buying strength and selling weakness. All right, so anyway, let's finish the pound Swiss. Right now, this is still a buy signal, and I will be looking to be buying, continuing to buy it. And I have, again, quite a very easy buy signal over here, and I have quite an easy sell signal. So the trade in the pound Swiss is quite easy, because again, the bias is to the upside. I'm looking for it to be a buyer, so this is where I'm going to be selling it right there. This is my short below the 154.90. That's my short point, and this here is going to be my short stop, because I'm looking at simply at structure, Robert, and my buying point is going to be right there. I'm going to buy above the highs, which is the 156.80. I would, okay, and if I buy it above the 156.80, then I'm placing my stop. Again, I'm using this price point as my long stop. So this is going to be long and short stop. And we took this trade, Robert, basically from the daily chart. So the pound is, I'm going to be buyer. I'm going to buy it above 156. This is where we bought it last week, 154.09. So I'm going to buy it this week at 156.80. And I am going to, if I do, I'm going to place my stop below 155.35, and I'm only going to go short yes, okay, what 56.18? Yes, Digby, you're right. I apologize. 156.18. You're absolutely right. Thank you. My short point. Thank you, Digby. Thank you, Adrian. My short point is going to be below 154.80. and if I go short 154.80, my stop is above 155. So we're risking about 70 pips on the short side in this one here. That's quite a large stop if you're uncomfortable with it, but the pound Swiss is rather heavy. Okay. But once it moves, I mean, the pound Swiss, as I said, is heavy, but once it moves, guys, it really does pay. So it will going to finagle around the structure points, and then once it moves, it really pays us when it moves. So we're buying it above the 156.18, and we have a structure long at 154.30, and if we take it, we're going to place our stop at 155.35, so we're risking about 60 pips on either side. We're only going short below 154.80, and my structure short is the 153.16, and if I do take it 154.80, I'm risking again in this case a much lesser, tighter stop at 155.35. Okay, that is the pound Swiss.